Every drawing starts with a simple shape. Right now it may look like nothing, but this oval is about to become a character with attitude. Let's build the foundation first. These guidelines are the secret behind balanced cartoon faces. I'm mapping the direction of the eyes, nose, and expression. Loose lines now, clean art later. Trust the process. Now the character starts waking up. Sharp eyes, long nose, exaggerated features. That's what makes cartoons fun. Small curves can completely change the emotion of the face, and this one already looks mischievous. Adding ears and fur gives the sketch personality. Notice how the eyebrows instantly create attitude and energy. Cartoon art is all about pushing expressions further than reality. The character is finally coming alive. Now I'm turning rough sketch lines into confident strokes. Clean outlines make the drawing feel professional and bold. This is where patience matters the most. One wrong line can change the entire mood. And here's the final cartoon fox character. From one simple oval to a full expressive face. That's the magic of sketching, turning imagination into something real. Now tell me, what should I draw next? Now it's time to add some final strokes. It will make flat sketches feel alive and dimensional. Even simple pencil strokes can create strong personality. Details are what separate a sketch from a character. One pencil, a few lines, and an idea becomes art. Thanks for watching this drawing come to life step by step. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next sketch.